Okay guys, today I just want to show you a quick tip on if your throttle cable your throttle lever, so to speak, is not working on your zero turn. You may or may not have the same type of throttle cable. This particular one is off of a Bobcat Zero Turn. And let's say you need to keep cutting and you need to get this fixed right away and you don't have time to order it or whatever. I just want to show you what a common problem with these throttle cables is. So what happens is you're giving it throttle and it's not going up, or it's going up very little. Well, your problem lies right here, and it's a simple fix. Okay, it's just this bolt and this nut on the back. Now, if you look at the new one, let's put them side by side. Now, you see this little U shape right here? This is actually supposed to be over top of this. See how it's over top of this right here? Well, what happens is it slides off, and then you don't get the full extent of your throttle anymore. And a lot of people might think that their cable is just broken, when really, you just got to take this bolt off here. I believe it's a 1/2 inch. And you got a nut on the back. And what you want to do is lift up on that and turn it and reset it and put it back on there, like that. And then you will get the full extent of your throttle cable there. So instead of panicking and thinking that you have to wait to order one of these, that might be the problem with your throttle cable. All right, but when you are pulling it, just to make sure that it's connected all the way through, look at the other end of your cable and make sure that that is moving when you are pushing on the throttle. If it's not, then it's probably broken inside. If it is, then this is your problem right here. Take this nut and bolt off, slide that over, bolt it back on, and you are good to go. Again, that is what it's supposed to look like. And you'll see the other one side-by-side comparison. So hopefully this tip helps you out and it keeps you mowing for the day. And if it did, hit subscribe below and give me a like. I'll see you guys next time.